Hello everyone. Today we're playing the new Ratchet& Clank off the PlayStation 4, a reboot of the original Ratchet& Clank. And right here I have my brother. Say hi, Alex. So, you play this game, right? Yeah, I played like few levels already, but it's really cool. All right, let's try this out. I'm going to yeah, do hard. Alright, do hard. Vote in. Yeah, I already got the bouncer. The bouncer is really cool.
Open up on 7.
Is that Crunk?
Move it out, Shiv. Oh yeah. Hero, huh?
Identifying prisoner 117, Shiv, Helix.
You think you can break me, Copper? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits in the universe. Places that would make your bolts rattle. The eternity pits of Sword Doom. The iron hold in no balance. Nah.
Oh, come on! It says Solitude, what? What? This is no, St. Quentin?
Greetings, new fish. I'm
Captain Quark. I don't believe
that
it.
is,
You're here. I used to
St.
dream of
Quentin.
being arrested by you.
Now get
what
out of
happened,
here.
Tress.
I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed
He's
my
like Morty.
many adventures?
Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet& Clank holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that lawn bags.
Oh, you must mean the holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
They're making a game based on a holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side.
I'd like to hear your side, Captain.
You would? Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Here we go! Alright. Shoes! These are nice boots, though. Oh. Dang, these are good graphics. Yeah.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim! You're here! I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank.
Alright, hang on. Let me just fix my options here. Yeah. I put on and... Alright. Let's do it.
Does that ship look
Oh!
bag?
Let me just
Come
do
on,
this.
give it a spin. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep. Left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights. Look down.
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
And so,
get all the
Ratchet
crates.
began his adventure hoping to become a galactic ranger.
And the graphics reminds me of Track and Time. Better than All for One, right? Yep. Oh, wow! This is really... That's really good graphics. I'm speechless. This building. Hey, my favorite Toad! How you doing?
His trusty Omni-Ray.
Go ahead, met the Toad. There you go. How I need to kiss you.
In order to best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
Wow, I need to kiss us. Alright.
Ratchet knew
Never
he
death.
faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
There. What? He said that he used that nanotech because he had 5 bullet
disregard
wounds
for
or
public
something.
property. Look at him smashing
oh,
crates.
this way.
The hubris.
Maybe he was just saving up bolts so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Marble crate breaking up fourth wall. Fourth wall is awesome. There you go. There you go.
With his enemies vanquished, Ratchet forged ahead. His destination?
Nanotech, give me. I don't even remember this.
Greetings, cadets.
Man, that's man, I just fall in love with the graphics. It's like tools of the Track and Time. Yes, I do. I'm ready. Yeah.
Hello, recruits. Cora Barrel
Okay,
is
hurdle.
here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these
I want to
obstacles.
be a Galactic Ranger.
A good ranger is
Superbad.
always mindful of their surroundings.
Because,
Hop
hey, look,
across
it's
these
Chrome's
moving
net.
platforms.
Fungoid. Whoa, whoa,
It's me,
whoa.
Captain Quark.
Okay.
Well, it's not really me, just a
Wait, I have a question.
pre-recorded message of
How
me.
come it's called the Galactic Rangers, but there's no robots?
I just wanted to be
Can
your
they
prospective
call
Galactic
it,
Rangers. Good luck.
Q-Force?
Good job.
Huh.
You could be the recruit we've been looking for.
Ooh,
Keep
boom.
moving to the next part of the course.
Hey there, recruits. I'm front. Hey,
Wah!
that's pretty good. Keep moving. It's time
Okay.
to get our hands on some firepower.
Gadgetron.
Grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor.
Bomb glove!
Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
Knuckle Bay! Oh crap. Oh, you got it. Card. Oh. Card.
The Solana Galaxy is
What
a
does
perilous
card do
place,
again?
as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left
I don't
sitting
know.
around in crates.
So you play this. Ah! Well, I mean, killing
Whoa, a holo card.
No.
Sweet.
Now the fight towards the
If you
dust.
see me at the event, please do not run up and insist on shaking hands. My mighty vice-like grip has been known to shake the confidence of even the most heroic of men.
Another one.
And now to spice things up, we've armed these dummies with Gadgetron flamethrowers. Our lawyers are
Hey, here you go, kid.
Good job, recruits.
You're still alive.
You may just be the
Here you go.
next elected
Have another
ranger.
one.
Head to the final challenge.
Come on, Ratchet. You can do this.
It's time for the final challenge.
Damn it. You could do it, Andy. You could do it. You could be a Galactic Ranger. I want you to be a Galactic Ranger. Since you're a space rat or something. I'm not a space rat.
One down.
I am the space rat. Ah!
down.
Okay. There you go.
Whoa. Looks like some angry toads.
Impressive. You looking at Solana's
Wait,
next
what?
Galactic Ranger?
If you didn't notice that
Another
the
one
narrow tag
down.
goes by tens now. By ones. Times one.
The John Cadet. Come see me after the show.
Or five.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
Really? Oh wait, that was Into the Nexus. I was thinking of that Alpha 1. Full frontal assault. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, the savior of Solana, Captain Core.
Hello, Veldin.
Hello, Captain.
Captain!
He's on fire again.
I know.
My name is Copernicus
Hey, he
Quark,
is on
and
fire.
yes, that was an impressive wall of fire I just walked past.
Smoking. Smoking hot.
I'm gonna be real with you folks for a moment.
that's what
When President
being
Vironix recommended I take on a new
goes up,
ranger,
just
I knew
like
just where to
gonna get
go.
roasted.
That's right. We want you.
Thank you, Uncle
I know
Sam.
what you're thinking. Do I have what it takes? After all, you may not have prevented Dr.
Various.
Nefarious from atomizing Aliros City.
Nice.
You may not have stopped Neftin Prague
Agent
from
Nexus.
rendering the entire population of Iridia colorblind. Twice. After all, you may not have this chiseled jaw or godlike pectoral region, but if you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
But I have heart.
Yes, but unfortunately that heart is encased in a weak, muscleless mass of inexperience. Plus, there's your history to consider.
Got a long line of citations here. Possession of an illegal gravity repulsor.
Operation of a black market accelerator.
Willful disruption of the space-time continuum.
Illegal.
That is a funny story.
You're reckless.
I wanna hear
You're
it.
a loose cannon,
Aw.
and you're dangerous.
Captain Quark reminds me of Zachariah again.
Wait, just give me a
Sorry,
chance.
no time. Galaxy in jeopardy. Get back out there. And remember, you can do anything. As
Yay.
long as you're me. Next!
Aw.
Meanwhile, on planet Cortu...
Hey, Robert.
Dr.
Tech-
Nefarious, the mad scientist who made all of this
Hey,
possible.
he's the guy from
That
Private
suggests
Parts.
cognitive impairment.
Pigface.
I'm more of a vengeful.
And Chrome Dome right there.
Trust you're here to meet the troops.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime
Hello.
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction. In 3, 2,
Oh, a defect. Go play, Victor.
Okay.
The helpless defect knew that his best
So
chance
now
for
I
survival
have
lay
a
with the
chance
facility's
to-
ventilation system.
To escape?
Just run to the vent. He might just make it out of there alive.
I know you will find the defect, Victor. You never disappoint.
Feeble defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path.
Skybox.
The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him and knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity.
Now, right in the
Hopeless
kitchen.
defect had to throw a spring
No,
bot.
no, you
But
don't say
where?
it right.
And how?
Go.
Power into the kitchen. Power into the kitchen.
Here we go. You gotta do it in a Peter Griffin voice. Ah, okay.
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap!
It's easy.
Get back here and let's settle this! Warbot to Warbot!
He's not like Sylvester Stallone. Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here and see you guys next time.
That was a little close for my liking.